In this video, I'll be doing some general market analysis on the indexes and on the different market caps performance. So the small cap performance, the mid cap performance, and the large cap performance. So let's get right into it. So the S&P 500 has broken out of the base, lifted above the 200 MA, retested it, and kept going, kind of establishing this uptrend in the S&P 500. And this index is looking really good so far. The Nasdaq, same exact thing as the S&P 500, doing a little bit better, nearer to the highs than the S&P 500. The Russell, on the other hand, the Russell and the DJI 30, the Dow Jones Industrial, are the ones I've been watching because for broader market turn up, I want to see these indexes pick up above their 200 day. And what's good with the Russell right now is we can see it's made this inverse head and shoulders type of base and is broken out and is heading towards that 200 day, which we really want to see it flip. So we can the small caps are performing well. It really shows the economy is performing well and just the broad market is doing well. And then the US 30, the Dow Jones, is looking really good right now. I mean, this inverse head and shoulders kind of slowly flipping this 200 MA. So once we pull up from this, the 20-day MA, this yellow MA, will surpass the 200 MA and we'll be in a type of uptrend for the Dow Jones. All of this is all great, but the indexes don't always tell the full market picture. Something I like to look at is FinViz. As we can see here, we can look at where my mouse is, this SMA 200. This is all the issues on the NYSE, the NASDAQ, and the AMEX. Which ones are above the SMA 200 and which ones are below it. We have 51%. So this has been picking up. Same with the SMA 50. This has been picking up, which is all great signs of broader market participation. Currently, the majority of large caps are above their 200 MA, and for mid caps and small caps, the majority of them are still under their 200 MA. So we want to see broader market pick up in general, as well as the Nasdaq. Less than half of the Nasdaq stocks are above the 200 MA. But generally, market breakouts are working. Setups are happening all throughout different leading sectors right now, such as basic materials, tech, industrial, and finance. Those are kind of the leading sectors I've seen. And I think there's a lot of opportunity in the market here for potential entries on great market leaders that will perform hard over the coming months into the end of the year. But I don't really have much more to say on the market other than I think it's a great investment opportunity right now and that you should be looking for setups in individual stocks. I want to see broader participation above the 200 MA line. That's really all I have to say. That's my analysis. If you found value, like and subscribe. Thank you.